Hello dear friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Piping Technical Trainer. Today I will make you understand different types of piping symbols and piping analysis. Let's start the video. I have made into slides that will be easier for you to make you understand. Here we have 90-degree elbow downward. So single line plane will be like this, elevation will be like this. For double line, the shape will be like this, symbol will be like this, and the elevation will be like this. Here for 90-degree elbow upward, this is for upward. Single line, you can see here, single line plane view, this will be, and elevation will be like this. Double line, see here, will be like this. Double line elevation will be like this. Next, 45-degree elbow downward plane view elevation. So single line, you can see here. For elevation, you can see here double line, this one, and for double line elevation will be like this. Here 45-degree elbow upward, this is plane, this is elevation. Single line, you can see here. Double line, you can see here. Here we have T downward. Single line, you can see here. Elevation, this is the double line plane view, this one, and elevation double line will be like this. We have T upward. Here we have T upward. See, single line, the symbol for T upward will be like this. Elevation will be like this. Double line plane will be like this, and elevation will be like this. These are all piping symbols. Next, we have flange, piping symbol for flange. Single line plane will be like this. Elevation, this is double line plane, this is elevation. Now for 180-degree bend, single line plane will be like this. Side view, you can see the side view. You can now for double line, this will be for double line, this is for single line. Parallel lines, here single line will be like this, elevation will be like this. Double line, you can see here, for double line elevation, this one. Now for cross lines, plane and elevation. Single line, you can see here, for single line plane view, elevation, this is for elevation. Double line plane view, this is for double line plane view, this is for double line elevation. Flanged valve, here single line, this is for plane view, this is for side view. Double line flanged valve, this is for double view, and this is for side view. For concentric reducer, plane view single line will be like this, side view will be like this. For concentric reducer double view will be like this, and this one will be side view. So here we have piping symbol for eccentric reducer. Here single line for eccentric reducer plane view, this will be, and the side view will be like this. For eccentric reducer double line view, plane view will be like this, and the side view will be like this. Thank you guys. If you have any question, you can easily understand these piping symbols. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment box and like the button and share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you, thanks a lot.